everybody. That's super weird. Don't mind this thing in my hair. This is what I use to hold my hair back when I take my makeup off or wash my face, which I just got done washing my face. I'm gonna vlog today, and I'm just gonna start off by telling you guys that I have not been posting in a long time, and it's not because I'm going through anything, it's because my fucking computer. I use iMovie to edit all of my videos, and for some reason when I upload it, it's like freezing and freezing and freezing, and so it's like it just makes it really difficult to edit anything because you can't really like watch your video. It just like freezes and stops, but it still goes. I don't know how to really explain that actually, but I'm just gonna try and film another video and hopefully it starts working again, because that's literally the only cure that I've heard. I asked a couple of my friends on YouTube and I was like, how did you guys fix this? And they said it kind of just fixed itself. Really hoping that that works for me. Right now, I just have one egg in there. I'm probably gonna put another egg. And then I have some, this looks really gross because it's hard to like just seal, but I have soy chorizo, and then I'm gonna do some hash browns, which now I realize that I should have done the hash browns first. Sit. Okay, so all I put in I just dumped the egg out and now I'm just doing hash browns. But I just put this pink Himalayan salt and some pepper and some garlic powder with some minced onion. I have so many onions back here. I've had them for so long that an onion is now growing another onion. And I just want to chop them all up, and I want to chop them all up and freeze them. But it burns my eyes like no other. Like, I literally hate cutting onions, and so I'm just really dreading that. Might just have Derek do it because he loves onions. Like, he can eat literally a bite out of a raw onion, which is disgusting. But anyways, I'm just gonna start off with some lemon ginger. I haven't tried this yet, but I saw it at the grocery store and thought it sounded good. Ginger is supposed to be really good for you, and I know lemon is, so I'm gonna make some of that in my teapot, and then I'm probably just gonna clean up the house a little bit, which I won't show you guys because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I've been doing that a lot. If you guys like it, let me know. Yeah, and then I'm gonna take the dogs somewhere that I've never been today. We're gonna go down south and go explore. Yep. Alright guys, so here is my finished product. I just threw it in a bowl because I'd mix it up anyways, but there's some hash browns at the bottom, eggs, 2 eggs, chorizo, and some sour cream on it. And then I just shredded a little bit of sharp cheddar cheese on top of the eggs as well. So I'm gonna eat this and then we're gonna get ready. Okay guys, so quick little thing that I wanted to show you guys before I started getting ready is this shot ski. I have half Colorado, half California. I haven't finished the California side yet. I still have a little bit more to do on the Colorado side. But I picked up a bunch of cute shot glasses. And this is my Mother's Day present. I'm making this because her and my dad are going on a vacation for a month. They're gonna be on a houseboat with my family, and they love Fireball. So I figured that was like a cute little thing that I could make for my mom for Mother's Day, and I hope she likes it. I'm super excited. And they're really easy to make, so I probably will make some more and start selling them. So let me know if anybody on here wants one. But yeah, I'm gonna start getting ready. But yeah, I am going to start getting ready. I'm not gonna film it, but I will see you guys as soon as I take care of this. Hey, I'm all done. This is a finished look. Nothing crazy. I literally just did like my face makeup, mascara, and yeah. I didn't want to do anything too crazy just because I'm just gonna be hiking today, so don't really need much. Okay, so real quickly, I just wanted to let you guys know, because you guys would maybe say something if you saw it, but I am engaged. I absolutely love my ring. It is so perfect. He did so good. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of tell you guys what happened. My best friend flew down from California and hung out with me, and I wanted to take her to this spot, which is literally my favorite spot in the Springs. And it's called Palmer Park, and it has like this huge lookout, and there's just like incredible views there. And I wanted to take her there before we went to dinner for my birthday on Friday, and I was up on these rocks, and my mom wanted me and my sister to take this picture. It was like our backs facing the camera, and we were holding hands because we took a picture like that like a few years ago when they visited me when I was in the Army. And so we stood up there and took the pictures and everything, and then I was like acting like an idiot. I was like this, and like I was just doing like a bunch of moves and stuff, just making a joke. And then I turned around and Derek was on his knee and he had proposed to me. So I have the video. I'll see if I can just post it in here and add it, because it was just completely unexpected. I had no idea, and he had planned it for quite some time. My family was there. My mom iced me right after. Yeah, it was just perfect. Like every time I think about it, I'm just like, and I always stare at my ring. Like I literally just always stare at it. Completely in love, super happy with it. So I just wanted to throw that in there because I know you guys probably see this thing and it wasn't there before. So we are gonna be going to a place. It is called, I think it's Greenmont or Greenhorn Valley. It's about an hour away, I think, and so I just wanted to drive out there and like just explore new places. It looks really pretty, and I'm gonna take the dogs and just kind of go. Derek's with his friends doing this trail with the their crawlers and stuff, so I didn't go to that. I just want to explore. And then real quick before I get dressed and head out, I wanted to show you guys my closet on Poshmark. If you find me, my name is literally just Brittney Colemann, which is on all my videos. And then if you go to my closet, I have quite a bit of stuff. I have like a bunch of Nike shorts, and my stuff is really, really cheap, guys. I think those are all my Nike shorts are like 10 or 12 bucks or something. I have Lululemon, I have Dooney and Burke, Kate Spade, just a bunch of stuff. So my prices are really cheap, so if you guys are interested in any of that type of stuff, then just go ahead and follow my account on Poshmark and yeah, make me an offer. But I'm gonna get dressed and then we are gonna head out to these trails. Alright guys, so we are en route. I'm putting on some Pandora. I got the pups, and I should probably GPS where I'm going because I haven't even plugged it in my phone. But you know, there's also a place up here where I'm going, and it's called Bishop's Castle. And if you've been to Colorado before, you might have heard of it. I don't know. But what it is it's like this castle that some guy built. You can take up the whole fucking road. Dude is literally driving in the middle of the road. Anyways, I have really bad road rage, so bear with me. But if anybody's been there before, it is called the Bishop's Castle, and what it is this guy has made this big ass castle by himself, solely off of donations from other people. So I don't know, we might swing by and check that out. The property around it's really pretty too, so I don't know, we might just figure that out. But first things first, Starbucks.
Morning, 566. Oh my goodness. The babies.
Can I have a cup of whipped cream for them?
Cappuccino?
Yeah.
Two. They're so beautiful.
Wow, beautiful.
Cyrus, come here. Come here. Get out the window.
Hi.
They already know.
No, yeah. Thank you. Here you go.
Awesome, thank you.
You're welcome.
Did I? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Awesome, thanks. Alright, have a good day.
You too. Thank you so much.
Cyrus, coming, bud. Okay, hold on. Bell. Cyrus. I usually just get one. But just because they're so messy. Oh my goodness, Cyrus! Oh man. Y'all are insane. You guys got whipped cream all over my car seat. Alright guys, so change of plans. It is now almost 3 o'clock on Saturday. And I had told you guys that I was gonna go like exploring and stuff, but I ended up driving halfway there and then turning around and calling my sister and saying like, hey, do you want to just go explore with me? And she was like, let's just go to the water. So there's this like lake in the middle of town, and it's called Memorial Lake, and so we just took all 4 dogs there. I would have filmed it, but I had to carry 3 of the dogs because my she's got a pit and he's him. That's all I have to say about him. But it was just like a handful, like I could barely do anything with my hands, so holding a camera would have honestly sucked. But Derek got home from his trail and we're pulling out all of our camping stuff to just get it like prepared because we're planning on going camping next weekend. And so we're gonna get all that stuff packed up and then, I don't know, organize it or whatever so we can just grab and go when we do go camping. But yeah, I am on my way to Goodwill right now and I will take you guys there. Alright guys, so sorry I did not end the vlog yesterday. We just ended up hanging out with my family and stuff, kind of for like Mother's Day. I'm eating a mango, like chili sucker. If you hear that noise in the background, it's Derek. He's cutting his Jeep. I don't know. But yeah, today is Sunday and I'm just doing a little bit of like grab and go stuff. Right here, I made, I think, about 10 boiled eggs, and then that's what I just kind of eat before I go work out. I'll either eat that or some nuts or something. But the pasta that I'm making, okay, so what I'm going to be using is these veggie pasta noodles. There is 8 grams of protein in 3/4 of a cup, 1 gram of fat, 200 calories, and 40 carbs. But these have 1 serving of vegetables per 4 ounces. So this is carrot, tomato, and spinach, and I'm going to use partially some of that, and then I'm going to use partially some of this. These are Protein Plus noodles. They have 17 grams of protein in 1 serving, so that's really good. I'm going to throw in some baby corn, some olives, and some peas, and then I'll probably cut up some tomatoes and then do some cheddar cheese in it too with Italian dressing that's like low fat and stuff. So right now I'm just boiling water and I got my big man with me. But yeah, we're just gonna make that, and I guess I'll just show you guys kind of what I do. Yeah, the kitchen. Okay, so if I look like terrible right now, it's because I just did a workout. It was like a 30-minute workout, and it was by Pop Sugar on YouTube. If you have not heard of them before, I highly recommend you go follow them. I just did a workout and it was just really easy to follow. The guy that was instructing the workout like had a really soft-spoken voice and it was just super motivating. So I just did like a 30-minute HIIT workout, close it off on a Sunday. But this is how my pasta turned out. I hate when you boil eggs and then your fridge smells like boiled eggs. This is what it looks like. Just got a bunch of stuff in there. So I will probably pack some of that for a few days at work. And I usually make this, we're gonna be camping a lot, so I'm gonna be vlogging while we're camping. I usually make a big pasta salad for camping too. I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I'm going to go over to my parents' house. One, because it's Mother's Day, and then two, my parents are gonna be leaving for a month on a houseboat in Arizona. They're going to Lake Powell, and I'm super jealous. But I'm just gonna try and spend time with them before they are gone for a while. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Derek's sleeping right now, that's why I'm kind of being a little quiet. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Hopefully I don't have a lot of trouble editing it and uploading it like the last ones have been. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.